In today's video, we check in with our favourite diet flip-flopper, Vegetable Police, and see what he's now eating in a day. Roll the titles.
For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. As always, just a quick reminder that I'm now offering the SIBO organic acid stool test and consult via my website. So if you have any health or digestive problems, then consider taking these tests, as they will provide a lot of very detailed information upon which you can start making informed decisions and then start getting your health back on track. And on that bombshell, to the video.
I've been vegan for 37 hours, and while I do plan on eating meat tomorrow night, I'm very vegan.
And we are off.
I am a vegan, you are a loser.
Right off the bat, bonus points for that smackdown of the Wicked Witch of the West.
So I figure we do a little what I eat in a day video. Yesterday, I was vegan the whole day. I was like, could I do this? A vegan dinner? I made a Brazil nut yogurt. It was gross. I just ate it with a spoon. You're supposed to use it as a sauce to pour on something fun. I just ate a bowl of soup, nut soup. It was gross.
And we wonder why he's having all of these health issues years down the line after they first started. I mean this really sincerely, because as much as I lay the occasional dig into Casey, I actually really like the guy, and I hope that one day the penny drops for him and he gets his health in order. Unfortunately, I fear that Casey always has one finger over the self-destruct button.
So I'm just experimenting a bit, see if I can increase my fruit and vegetable intake, tolerate some fiber, lower the meat, and be good. We're good. That sounds like a good plan.
Unfortunately, Casey, as you have never fixed your underlying issues, you will never tolerate the fruits and vegetables. And not only that, the longer he leaves the problems present in his gut, the more susceptible he is to worsening health over the coming years.
Meat sometimes, nuts and seeds, avocados here and there. I might even buy bread. I thought about it. My girlfriend's making her own sourdough bread. Got me perusing a bread aisle. I was like, look at that. Rye sourdough. But there was salt in it.
Can you actually imagine being in Casey's brain as he's walking down the supermarket aisle?
So now I start my day with a bit of tea. This is a nettle dandelion tea. It has about a liter of water, and I squeeze half a lemon into it.
It's always the lemon water.
I just remember on the medical medium days, I would wake up to a liter of water with lemon in it, and my bowels, they were happy. They were moving a lot, way too much actually, but things were going. Whereas now it's a struggle that I shouldn't be putting up with. I'm mostly eating fruit. It seems to be helping.
It's easier on his digestion, as fruit is typically digested a lot higher up in the gut, meaning fermentation is reduced, and many fruits tend to have a lower fibre load. And this all equals less gas and bloating overall. But we all know what would happen if Vegetable Police had a couple of days on the pulses or beans. His digestion would literally fall apart.
I am feeling helped down there. Probably about an hour after that, I have my first green juice. Today was celery, lemon, beets with the beet greens, and a green apple. And it was very deliciosus.
Said no one ever drinking anything containing celery juice.
Very sour, quite the sour, because it was a lemon and a half plus a green apple. That's sour town. At this point, I feel satisfied that I've taken in enough essential oxalic acids, and I feel good about that. So I move on to a fruit juice while eating some of it.
Again, all liquids, because there is no way his digestive tract is starting the day with any sort of fibre.
Today we have a quarter of a watermelon. The thing was huge. I did half yesterday. I was peeing all day. I don't have time for that. So we just take a couple bites while we juice the rest, and that's gonna fuel me for several hours. Take that to the bank.
Again, it's something that's largely been liquefied and digested by the time it's left his mouth. Unfortunately for Vegetable Police, there is very little nutrition in anything he has started the day with.
So once I'm done these juices, late afternoon, I start having some fruit, some actual fruit. I sit down to an actual meal, and I'll be honest with you, the first I'd say week of doing this, I was getting pain, and it's like bloating and gas and nightmares. It seems like I am adapting, and now it feels pretty good.
I made my first ever video on Vegetable Police on July the 15th, 2018. He is now making progress, and after 4 years, he's able to eat a little fruit. At his current rate, he may be able to eat a plant-based chili on the 15th of July, 2057.
Feels pretty empty. That hot water and lemon in the morning is helping, and it seems like I'm adapting, so I'll continue it. My skin's worse. That's fun. I love that. I love this cycle where I feel better, digestion's better, and then skin's worse. I love this.
I think Casey actually loves this type of drama in his life, and I think it has almost become part of his identity. And if someone sat down with him and said, this is exactly what you need to do, and in 4 months you should be in a much better place, I really don't think he would listen.
So, eat a little fruit. I have some blueberries and blackberries to start off, and then I think I'll have some mangoes tonight. Why not? Tonight for dinner, we're gonna have some steamed either broccoli or cauliflower, whatever's on sale and organic as hell.
I love all of those foods, but today he's up to a combined calorie count of about 3.5 calories.
And I'm gonna mix my Brazil nut yogurt in there, which also has ground chia seeds with probiotics in them. I added that and fermented them. Whoa. So that with a bit of dulse for salty goodness. And what else could you possibly need?
Maybe proper nutrition, so foods that are actually going to give your body the raw material it needs to carry out its necessary functions and not be running on empty the whole time.
You're vegan now. If I was to sustain a diet like this, I feel like I would want more protein somehow. Maybe hemp seeds instead of Brazil nuts, overdosing on selenium with those Brazilers. That sounds fun. Hemp seeds, I can't do tofu. I feel I was looking in the grocery aisle, like what could I eat that's protein rich, keep some gains, be vegan? There was nothing. Bread was the highest protein thing I could find.
I'm not surprised for 1 minute that he has to keep running to meat every few days when eating like this.
It was 3 grams of protein per slice. That ain't gonna cut it. It's not gonna cut it, man. I don't know how these people do it, but I can guarantee if I just do the fruits and veggies, goodbye muscle, see you later, nice to know you.
Maybe because you are not doing the fruit and veggies, instead you are doing the medical medium snot in a glass with a couple of blueberries on top and wondering why things are not working.
So tomorrow night I'm taking out some lamb shanks in my freezer. I'm gonna pressure cook those. We'll be back on the meat train and we'll see. We'll just go back and forth, do these little things. How does the Brazil nut yogurt treat my body? So far so good. Not noticing anything weird. I like it. I like the variety. I felt lost that I couldn't eat anything without some pain, but I pushed through it. God said, you know what? I made all these foods. They're good times. Try them out sometime.
It's just tragic. I would love to give Vegetable Police the feeling of normal for a day so he gets all of this and then the madness stops.
Why are you being a freak? I didn't say you had to juice and eat nothing but meat. You're weird. This is not my plan. So I just did it. I was like, these are normal foods, fruits and vegetables of the earth. I should be able to eat them. So I did. I willed my mind to do it, and now I am doing it and succeeding somewhat. Not in the face area, but in most of my other body parts. So we're good.
Let's eat some foods until they cause problems, because the problems haven't been fixed in the gut. And when the foods cause problems, we eat lots of meat foods that will cause lots of other problems further down the line. Problem after problem.
So vegan. Are you vegan yet? I think I removed them from my shop. Don't quote me on that, but they might still be there. Collector's item. Huh? So what's that like? Good plan? Lesser meat? Don't you dare disagree down there.
I beg all of you to go to the comments section of his latest video and look at all of the advice that people are giving him. It's one of the funniest places on the internet. And how long before we see Casey try this diet? Interestingly, of the 352 comments posted, not one person has suggested that Casey concentrate on fixing his gut issues. I think his viewers just like the train wreck too much.
Just thumb up the video, move on. Just thumb it up. You're thumbing it down because you once bought a shirt. On the front, it said, "I'm fun," but on the back, it says, "I sin."
No, unfortunately, it's just getting a big thumbs down because this madness is still happening.
Every day. So not so fun, are you? Fun in hell, maybe. Keeping Satan good company down there. You don't want to cheer up Satan. That's not your life path. So just step around, go up the golden steps.
I mean, what do you even say anymore? I'd not checked in on Vegetable Police for so long, I was actually kidding myself that there was some sort of balance in his diet by this stage. Unfortunately, it just appears that his problems are mounting, and while he is happy to play the court jester, he is hurtling down a path that may be soon impossible to back up out of. Anyhow, that's the end of today's video. If you enjoyed this video, then be sure to check out this one up here because I'm sure you'll find it equally interesting. And the only other thing that's left for me to say is to remember to look after your body because it's the only place you have to live. And I'll see you next time.